everyone. Welcome to Chats with Carmelia. And today we're doing a special episode. We are cooking with Carm and Karla. Today we're making Karla's holiday balls. You have to try Karla's balls.
They're amazing.
They are amazing. So Karla, I love these balls and I love them for so many reasons.
Yeah.
Let's make them. And what's the actual prep time? We're actually gonna go through this right now.
Yeah, so
tell me why you love this.
So these are amazing because it's all healthy ingredients and they do not disappoint. They taste delicious. We just had the girls try them here and they were like, am I allowed to eat these? Are you sure these are healthy?
I know.
Because
it literally does not taste healthy.
No.
I mean, they taste amazing.
Yeah.
So,
and they leave you not feeling full and bloated, and you can have more of them because they are healthier. So
awesome.
We're gonna get into it.
Okay, let's get into it. And I'm also gonna ask you questions about, this is going towards our fitting
into the holidays,
right?
These are great, you know, if you're gonna have a Christmas party or if you are going to a Christmas party and you wanna bring something, these are wonderful to make and have or bring. Because
you will be the favorite person.
Oh yeah.
And every time I see Karla, my husband says, where's your balls? Forget you, Karla, where's the balls?
Right, where's the ball?
Okay.
It's so true.
So what do we start with?
So we're gonna start with a cup of oatmeal.
Okay. These are rolled oats. Does it really matter what kind? You choose
these are a little thicker. These are steel cut oats. I usually use just the regular oats.
Okay.
Quaker oats, because these ones don't roll as good because they tend to be bigger. But now if you have these, you can take them and just blend them a bit to give you that more consistency so that they'll pack nice, right?
Perfect.
So we have the oatmeal and then we have 2/3 of a cup of coconut.
Perfect.
And then we have a 1/2 cup of peanut butter.
And that's all natural peanut butter,
all
correct?
natural peanut butter.
Okay.
And I always get the one with the peanuts in it because that gives it an extra crunch.
Ooh, love that.
Who doesn't love a little extra crunch during the holidays?
Can you even do a spin on almond butter if you prefer
You
almond butter?
can totally do the almond butter as well.
Okay, perfect.
And then we're going to put in the flaxseed.
Flaxseed. Now tell me about flaxseed. Why is that important?
Flaxseed has so many health benefits.
Okay.
Just like everything in here, they all have antioxidants and they're gonna just sit well in your stomach. Your body will process them well.
And it'll help you go, right?
Yes,
Flaxseed?
exactly. Okay. And you won't get that bloat from these types of ingredients.
Perfect.
So then we're gonna do the chocolate chips.
Ooh.
Now, this is where you can either keep them really, really healthy by doing like a vegan chocolate chip, or if you want to spice it up a little bit, and because it's the holidays, why not? Because we're using so many other healthy ingredients, we can splurge a little on the
funny is,
chocolate chips.
These are salted caramel, so I brought the bad.
Yeah, put those in.
Salted caramel chips, okay.
And we'll add some chocolate chips in just to give it a little bit of a...
And that's a dark chocolate chip, by the way.
Yes.
Okay. But you said also, this is vegan, so can you use... you could also use yogurt chips, but it wouldn't be vegan, right?
No, that's right. But I'm gonna have to say, just because I've made these with so many different style of chips, the best ones are regular chocolate chips.
Okay,
just chocolate chips.
Semi-sweet. Okay, perfect.
Yeah, and then we're going to do the honey or agave, and you're going to do 1/3 of a cup of this.
Okay. Ooh, now is this what kind of keeps it all together?
It holds it together. And then we're gonna use chia seeds. So there is a tablespoon of chia seeds.
I love chia seeds.
And
another wholesome ingredient that
so
gets stuck
good
in your
for
cheek.
you.
That's the only downside to chia seeds.
Yeah, right? And then, okay, so this is my secret ingredient.
Okay, and that
Riverless protein.
Okay.
It is honestly the best protein. I recommend it to all my clients. It's low in sodium. It's got delicious flavor.
What flavor is this one?
This one's cookies and cream.
Ooh,
so
oh my goodness.
You have no idea all the different desserts that you can make, and there's another segment we can do is all the desserts you can make with protein powder.
Oh gosh, let's get through this first.
So smell this, Carm. Isn't that delicious?
Wow, cookies and cream. It actually smells like cookies and cream.
Yeah, so you're gonna put the whole
great.
scoop of cookies and cream protein in there.
Okay.
Because protein keeps you fuller longer.
All right.
And then...
Vanilla extract? How much do we put in that?
So I'm gonna say, I usually say a couple of tablespoons, but I go nuts with the yolk.
Okay.
Because I love the flavor. It just gives it, makes
Vanilla
it taste
extract.
really nice.
Wow, that's a lot of flavor in your mouth.
Yeah.
My goodness.
Right? So
All right.
now, one more thing.
Can I start mixing while
Sure,
you do this?
go ahead,
Okay.
yep. So another thing I was gonna mention is for the holidays, you can use, these are quite big, so you're gonna wanna find the smaller M&Ms
Okay.
and pick out the green and red ones, or you can take the big ones like we have and just crush them up so that you give that holiday
Yeah,
color.
a little holiday color and flavor.
Yeah, and then
that
we're gonna,
added crunch. right?
Exactly,
The
and then
added
we're gonna
crunch.
also show you a way that you can dress them up once they're done.
Okay.
To make them more festive so that when they're sitting on the holiday table, they look like they belong there.
Oh my goodness. So I think we've been under 5 minutes to make these.
So after you get this mixed up really nice, I usually go in with my hands just to make sure that it's all fully mixed. And then you're gonna cover it. You're gonna put it in the fridge for 30 minutes so that they can firm up, and then you can roll them into the balls much easier and they stay.
Amazing.
So
we
we'll-
are now going to reveal what these balls looks like once you've rolled them, you've cooled them, and they're ready for consumption.
Ta-da!
Wow, that was so fast.
Right? The magic
So-
of TV.
So this is how many? So it makes about a dozen
they're
or
here.
more, right?
Well, so you can make as many as you want.
So let's dress this up for the holidays.
Okay, let's just show you. I just
Okay,
want to
sure.
So you can also
Wow.
use white chocolate chips too.
Okay.
That's another option. Now,
So good. And I've tasted these, so they taste amazing.
so these
All
were
right.
sitting in the fridge.
Okay.
So what I'm gonna show you guys is a way that you can dress these up for the holidays. So you're gonna have a cup of coconut, and then before you put these into the fridge after you've rolled them,
So that they're still moist.
they're still moist.
Right.
The coconut will sit
Amazing.
on these much better, and it will stay.
I got
so
that.
this,
So we're just gonna sprinkle it on.
we'll just
there.
sprinkle it on for now.
Right. And now these red and green M&Ms would have been crushed and put into here so that it brings that kind of Christmassy vibe into here.
Now this is just powdered sugar, so what I like to do is just take a little bit just to make them look even more festive.
Fest.
It's snow.
Frosting
it's
your balls.
Snow, frost the balls.
We are frosting the balls right now. And there you have
Your
Karla's
little-
holiday balls.
Your little Christmas display.
This is going to be the dessert of the party, guilt-free eating and snacks and keeping you on track for fitting into the holidays.
Yep.
Thanks, Karla.
You're so welcome.
And where can we get this recipe and others if we want to stay lean and fit and on track for the holidays?
You can reach out to me at KG Lifestyle. You can go through my Instagram, and my email, is in the link in my bio.
Shall we?
Shall we?
Okay.
Cheers.
Cheers.